critically endangered. 10 rare animal species. Man, changing the environment to suit his needs and improving the living conditions of society, is capable of consciously or even unintentionally causing irreparable damage to the wealth of nature. Countless endangered species are in danger of being left as pages of encyclopedias right now. We talk about 10 rare animals that can still be saved. Giant panda, or bamboo bear, lat. Eleuropoda melanluca, giant panda, a symbol of the Worldwide Fund for Nature Protection, is the rarest species of the bear family that lives only in the mountainous regions of China. According to scientists, the population is a little more than 1.8 thousand individuals in the wild. Recently, there has been a slight increase in the number of pandas due to the efforts of Chinese biologists to restore bamboo forests. Tiger, lat. Panthera tigris, the development of a developed economy and logging on an industrial scale are factors that have significantly reduced the habitat available to members of the feline family. Tigers are vast expanses inhabited by extensive herbivores, which are the main part of the diet of striped predators. Poaching is the greatest danger. 3 out of 9 human subspecies have been completely exterminated. Today, hunting for tigers is prohibited all over the world. American crane, lat. Grus americana. In 1939, only 16 individuals of American cranes remained in the wild. Hunting and the reduction of their habitat caused irreparable damage to the population. Today, thanks to a concerted effort to save the endangered species and innovative artificial breeding programs at Wisconsin hatcheries, there are already more than 400 birds in the habitat. Blue whale, lat. Balanoptera musculus. At the moment, there are less than 25,000 blue whales in the world, the largest animals on the planet. Blue whales are found in all oceans of the world, with the exception of the waters of the Arctic. It is believed that 90% of the population was destroyed by whaling in the 20th century. Ultimately, commercial hunting was banned in 1966. The U.S. National Marine Fisheries Service has developed a recovery plan that includes maintaining databases of individual specimens and collecting genetic and migratory data. This provides a better understanding of their behavior and helps to prevent collisions of individuals with ships and falling into fishing nets. Asian or Indian elephant, lat. Elephas maximus. According to the most optimistic estimates of Asian elephants, there are 40 to 50,000 individuals. This number can be much less. Many regions inhabited by animals are countless hard to reach due to the noticeable surface and the political situation of the area, which complicates the calculation. Even though Asian elephants have significantly smaller tusks than African elephants, poaching is a must for this endangered species. Sea otter, or sea beaver, Latin Enhydrolutris, commercial hunting for the exceptional fur of the inhabitants of the icy waters of the North Pacific Ocean, caused the almost complete extinction of the species by the beginning of the 20th century. In 1911, there were about 2,000 of them. At the same time, an international ban on commercial hunting was introduced. Although the ban has helped restore the population to 1/3 of its previous number, the sea otter is still in danger. Ibis, or snow leopard, lat. Panthera uncea. Although it is called a leopard, the northern version of the spotted inhabitants of more equatorial regions, the ibis is actually more closely related to the tiger, at least genetically. Probably less than 6.5 thousand individuals remain in the wild. Poaching continues to pose a serious threat to this rare and endangered species, as does overhunting the animals that make up their diet. Eastern gorilla, lat. Gorilla beringei. Only about 220,000 gorillas remain in the wild. Habitat encroachment and hunting for gorillas as trophies and magical talismans has led to a significant reduction in the population. Due to the fact that the social structure of gorillas is complex and females are able to produce offspring only once every 4 years, the loss of even a few individuals can have a catastrophic effect on the ability of the pack to maintain its numbers. Between 1996 and 2008, the Tasmanian disease population was at about 60% due to a contagious form of cancer that causes malignant facial swelling and is 100% fatal. The disease continues to decimate a population species that is found only on the island of Tasmania. Captive breeding of uninfected individuals has been initiated and steps taken to develop a vaccine, but due to lack of early diagnosis and means of treatment, experts predict the complete extinction of the wild population by the middle of the second quarter of the XXI century. Kalimantan orangutan, lat. Pongo pygmaeus. Orangutan in Malay means man of the forest. Largely due to deforestation and commercial hunting, individuals of this species that live on the Southeast Asian islands of Borneo and Sumatra currently number less than 60,000. Unlike many other primates, orangutans tend to be solitary or live in small groups, making them difficult to track and study.